Hello and welcome to Big Data Processing using Hadoop. My name is Perry Wilson and I will be your instructor for this course. In this video, I'm going to spend a few minutes talking about the course, giving you a brief overview of what to expect. Let's begin by looking at the course homepage in Blackboard. It's here where you will see recent announcements, anything new that's been added to the class, and assignments that are coming due. You'll want to check out the Getting Started section. This is where we tell you how to begin the class, welcome you to the class, and give you a little bit about the course. You should go over the syllabus. I'll highlight a few things later in the video. Take a look at the course outline, maybe even print it out. And if you're interested, you can read my short biography. As you can see from the outline of the syllabus, there's a lot of important information in here. Please review it on your own and let me know if you have any questions. We can go over things in more detail during office hours. I will highlight a few things here. Continuing our course overview, let's take a look at a few important things in the syllabus. First of all, the course objectives. Throughout this course, you should gain a good understanding of the Hadoop architecture. That includes both the distributed file system and the processing that you can perform on top of the file system. We're going to spend time applying HDFS, the program model, and the MapReduce program model. Then we'll take a tour of several of the Hadoop applications: Pig, Hive, HBase, and Spark. There'll be more details on these as we go through the course. Hardware and software requirements. You do need a PC or a Mac in good working order, at least 4 gigs of RAM and 10 gigs of storage. More is better. Some students have 16 gigs of RAM. More storage might also be better if you want to use more data. You're going to be setting up a Hadoop development environment on your laptop. You'll install software. You don't need to purchase any software. We'll be using open source technologies. One option that we usually recommend is installing VirtualBox and using a VM to install Hadoop. However, there are drawbacks to that. So this semester I'm offering the ability to install Hadoop directly on your laptop. I'll provide a couple of recipes for doing that. There's a couple of reasons why you might want to go this direction. One is you're really familiar with the system administration of your system and you're not going to mess it up. Two, you've only got 4 gigs of RAM and you want to do away with the overhead of running VirtualBox. So that will be something we'll get into during week 2. As for coursework, you can expect to spend about 7 to 10 hours per week. The module week ends on Tuesdays at 11:59, so assignments that are due, discussions that are due, those must be completed before then. You are required to participate in discussion forums. That is 11% of your grade. There will be approximately 2 discussion questions every week. You need to post twice on each forum. Your first post should be your opinion or your response to the question. Your second post could be comments on someone else's response. There are 10 homework assignments. That accounts for 50% of your grade. There are 8 quizzes sprinkled throughout the course, and that accounts for 24% of your grade. Finally, there's a semester project worth 15%. We'll dive into more details of these as we get into the semester. Finally, my contact information. You can reach me via email at pwilso12@jhu.edu. That actually gets forwarded to a Gmail address, which you'll find in the syllabus. My phone number is given here. Email is preferred, but in an emergency, you can call or text to this number, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So enjoy the class, and I'll be sending out announcements soon.